Door verlies van wat videomateriaal vervolgen we dit avontuur in het noorden van New South Wales. We rijden net weg van de kampeerplaats bij de Pindari-dam en kijken uit naar een heerlijke warme douche waar we hier gratis gebruik van kunnen maken. We zijn op zoek naar een nieuwe kampeerplek langs de rivier.
I just had a nice shower and now it's Steven's turn.
Yeah, just before we leave Pindari Dam, both have a nice shower. There's even disabled access here to these facilities. Toilets, and there's one shower in each, the females and the males basically, and the shower is in here. It's a good shower, nice warm water, and the shower head is very nice. We just left Pindari Dam and are on our way to
Esport for water, fillable water. Roxy's watching.
Ironisch genoeg had het behoorlijk geregend hier op de kampeerplaats Sunnyside, die we van tevoren hadden uitgekozen als volgende stop. De weersverwachting voor de aankomende week was helaas ook voor veel regen. Gelukkig waren de volgelopen kuilen voor de Pajero geen probleem om ons doel alsnog goed te bereiken.
We are on the riverside nearby Bingara and looking for a camp spot. Oh man, it's a bit muddy and boggy there.
We set up camp in the last hour, had dinner, sprayed the tent with special waterproof spray because we suspect it was leaking a bit yesterday in the intense rain. Yeah. And we're going to have a quick look at the river. We're a bit higher up because they expect more rain tonight, so we could choose between a spot near the river or higher up. And after the drenching in the last couple of days, we decided to go a bit higher. They have signs up for flash flooding anyway everywhere, and it's pretty muddy to get here most spots. But yeah, we for today we just decided to go for the higher grounds. Although this spot is better than the last spot we checked out. This is at least 2 meters above water level. Yeah. We stayed about 10 meters above it tonight. We're camping way up there. De hooggelegen kampeerplek had een goede ondergrond en was mooi en heel rustgevend. Het was ook een plek die als uitvalsbasis diende voor de vele wandelingen die we in een korte week maakten langs de rivier. Fading light above the river. Nice spot. Yeah, the dogs are enjoying their walk. It's nice and cool under the trees. A lot of pebbles and stones. So, pretty sure it's an indication that the river can reach this high, and there's some beautiful camp spots like on river level If it wasn't for the warning on the side, we would have been on one of the sides down below. Sommige plekken langs de rivier lijken net een vlindertuin. Een rivierbedding is altijd bijzonder in het veelal droge Australië. The season of mushrooms is also starting here. Moving close to the river again from the trail. You can see there are plenty of mud holes to get bogged down. But yeah, beautiful campsites. This is site 8, Bora Crossing. Absolutely stunning sights. Look at this. Spend the night. Beats any hotel room, in my opinion. We hebben echt veel en naar hartelust rondgestruind hier. Just fascinated by beautiful flowers. Call me weird. One of Roxy's favorite actions.
Take a bath.
Take a bath in a drinking bowl. Saturday the 13th of March, midday, and we turned a leftover chicken in a very nice salad with a nice cold milk after a nice hike.
I think it's too hot for cooking.
Yeah, good that we cooked for the whole week. Although it's overcast,
Yeah.
it feels like 30 degrees, and it probably is.
Getting storm, eh?
Yeah, another
Wind or
storm
rain,
coming.
whatever.
It smells so good.
Yeah, I think it's nice.
You can hear the rain on the awning.
Yeah, I hear it.
Starting.
It's starting, yeah. Oh
Big
man.
drops.
At least the cooking is done for a couple of days.
Yes.
Prepare all the meals. Makes it easy. Huh?
Yeah. We're making a stop in Bingara at the moment. Just had a walk with the dogs, and there's a nice laundromat here.
zoveel weer.
Na veel regen in de afgelopen dagen waren we gelukkig weer met droge kleren op zoek naar de volgende kampeerplek. De weersvoorspelling was niet veel beter, maar we waren inmiddels gelukkig wel wat gewend. Echter, zoals vaak het geval, kon het natuurlijk nog erger.
It's raining. We start to set up camp. That's this spot, Copper Dam, eh?
Yeah.
It's beautiful,
But very
but very wet. Dogs are in the doghouse. Hi Joy, hi Roxy, how are you going? Hey, yeah, it's wet, eh?
We're taking shelter in the car at the moment. It's pretty intense outside. We feel the car shaking on the wind, and we got the awning out. I secured it to the trailer with through lines. It's still standing, but it's freaking going off mad outside. Still pounding outside. Lucky all the awnings are still on. Anchored to the trailer. The dogs are safe in there. The wind is coming from the other side, so it's not running into there. Having fun.
So,
Adventure, nearly losing our awnings. Not.
no.
But no, it is an adventure, but rather not. Look at it. It's starting again.
Terrible.
I can feel it shaking onto the car. There in the pole go.
One of the poles, yeah, that's the middle pole. Yeah, oh my
Look
god.
with the camera, you can see the awning shaking.
It's shaking, everything is shaking.